DJI has officially introduced its latest wearable camera called the Osmo Nano. This small camera weighs just 52 grams and is made to be easily clipped onto anything, from a helmet to a pet's collar or even just worn on your clothing. Despite its diminutive size, it does not sacrifice quality. It integrates a new generation 1/130-inch sensor, quite large for such a compact device that is capable of recording video in 4K at 60 frames per second and slow motion in 4K at 120 frames per second. It also offers professional level features such as 10-bit color and the D-Log-M profile, which is normally reserved for larger and more expensive cameras. Stabilization is handled by DJI's Rocksteady 3 in traditional and also features horizon balancing to keep scenes very smooth even in high action. One of the most interesting components is what DJI has dubbed the multifunctional vision dock, which will not only be a charging dock, but will also work as a charging dock. In addition to all the controls, it features a screen that functions both as an integrated preview display and simultaneously as a high-speed file transfer hub. This element adds excellent functions, but you don't always need it attached. You can stick or detach the camera from its body. The battery lets you record up to 200 minutes in full HD, and the dock charges to 80% in 20 minutes. The DJI Osmo Nano is now on sale in the US, starting at $299 for the 64 gigabytes version, though prices differ elsewhere. Let me know your thoughts on this format. I've tried the Insta360 Go and it's good, but the picture quality is quite basic. I'm eager to try DJI's proposal as the ultra-compact design offers great mobility,